Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this Shirley Temple slash Hollywood slash Marilyn Monroe style. In this video I will be doing step by step of how to achieve it. If you've got thin straight hair, if you've got thick wavy or curly hair like myself, this will be the video for you. So stay tuned and the video will be coming up right now. This is all the stuff I use, so stay in hairpins. The first one we have is Tresemme Care and Protect Heat Protector. That is very good. And then we have our Liquid Crystal Serum that I got from my hairdressers. This one is Curl Tonic from L'Oreal, and the other one is the straight version from, again, L'Oreal. And then the final one we have Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. So to start off, we have your newly washed hair. So I'm gonna take apart a section with the Curl Tonic spray all over my hair. Make sure I cover everywhere in my hair, especially the ends, and the heat protector to put on as well, just to spray it everywhere so I get the whole surrounding area. I'm gonna part my hair at the top and do a little bun, comb out the ends just to be sure that it's really nice and straight while I do that, and it's neat. Put the hairspray on, curl the hair and wait 5 whole seconds or 5 Mississippis on each curl. So repeating the same process as before with all the curls, and while I'm curling my hair, I curl inwards towards my head. So for the fringe part will be totally different. You part 2 sections in the front of your hair. But for now, I'm going to turn the curls inwards towards my head and pin it up to hold the curls so it doesn't drop down and become wavy like in the very first moments of the video you just seen. So that when I clip the hair up and put the hairspray that will hold the style in place is the main thing of what we want it to do, while keeping the front part totally separate from all the surrounding areas. Keep on doing this process, surrounding the hair on the top until you get to the fringe bit. Then there'll be a different procedure for the fringe at the front of the hair. So to do the front part of the hair, you either do a middle or a side parting depending on what you prefer. Comb it out and make sure you put hairspray and the serum on the ends of the hair to protect it from heat damage. Curl the hair outwards away from the face instead of towards the face for the surrounding front part of the hair. Then, of course, as a normal procedure like the rest of the hair, pin it up, but remember, away from the face and the surrounding area of the front part of your head. After leaving your hair for about half an hour to set with the curls, you begin to take out the clips, starting with the back first. Once all the clips have been removed, it's then time to separate the hair, making sure that it looks volumized and ready to go. Then, keeping the middle or straight parting you have chosen to do. So, we are at the end of the video. leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe, and as always, I will see you in the next video, whatever it is I do. I said that in my last hair video, but I'm gonna say it again. Goodbye, folks. Sayonara.